So welcome back to this channel once again, and I'm here to discuss another topic in ILE RPG, that is parameter passing in ILE RPG, but this time with start trim options start trim. So this can be achieved only with the call by value or call by read only reference. So we cannot achieve this using call by reference method. So let's see what it will be doing. It will basically, if you pass a string with some blank spaces in the leading on trailing on leading and trailing, so it will basically remove those leading or trailing spaces on that string. Okay, so let's see. So this is a program where this is the main procedure where the calling of get trimmed string sub procedure is done, and this is the prototype for the get trimmed string, which is the sub procedure to this program, and this is the body for that get trimmed string. Okay, this is the begin and end blocks, and this is the procedure interface where we are getting the string. So here you can see that I'm just using the uh, value thing, means call by value approach, and options start trim. So what if, for example, so in case of call by value and call by constant, I can do like this. So this is for now not required, and I can like write like this also. So you can see I'm using the call by value approach. I'm passing a string of 20 characters and returning the same string with trimmed values, means the trimmed with getting the trimmed string. So you can see I'm passing this string and I'll be getting the trimmed string. Okay, because, and I don't need to do any calculation here because this option will itself trim the string which is passed to this sub procedure during the call. Okay, so just compile this star source so that you can debug create pgm ILE pgm 19 ILE pgm 19 strdbg ILE pgm 19. Okay, so we will be debugging this program. So we will see that the string we are passing with some blank spaces will get trimmed automatically using this option. So let's set the breakpoint at line number 1, call ILE pgm 19. So you can see I'm passing this string. Just check shift F10. Now you can see what I received is a trimmed string. Okay, hello world, and that I'm returning. So I'm simply getting the trimmed string, so I'm displaying the same. Okay, and that's the exit of the program. So you can see that how that using this option you will get the trimmed string, and you can use this options star trim with your prototypes doing the doing parameter passing. Okay, so that's all which I want to show you, and as you saw that this is the thing which call by value, so this can be done with const also, means call by read only reference. Let's see, just compile this program. Create the program. So yes, now this can be, this is a old program reference in the debug pgm 19. Okay, now you can see the same result achieved with this also, but this is not valid with call by reference. Okay, so for example, if I am removing this and I am taking F4 here, so you can see that options startering is not valid for the parameter, so call by reference. So you can see that furthermore the parameter must be passed by value or constant reference. Okay, means read only reference. So you cannot use this with call by reference method. So that's all which I want to I want to show you. So thank you and have a nice time.